Hi, my name is AnthonyGodoy, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate my solution to practical task 1.2 question 7, which requires me to write a program that uses a for loop and prints all numbers between 1 and n that are divisible by 4 but not 5. So here I am showing you my code. There's the name there. Now the first thing the code asks the user to ask the user for is basically a value. So the value of n, which could be anything really. So for the loop to start from 1 and continues until it reaches n. And during each iteration, the program checks whether the current number is divisible by 4 using the condition I modulo 4. Yeah. And at the same time, it also checks if if the number is actually divisible by 5 by using I modulo 5, not equal to 0. And if both conditions are true, the number is displayed on the screen. I'm going to run a short demonstration here. Quickly, I'll go here. Okay, and as you can see, my locals here is also showing, and the locals basically show what's it called? Okay, so sorry about that. The locals basically show all the variables currently in memory and their values. But for now, I will put 30 and see how it displays the output, all the numbers from 1 to 30. And it doesn't display the number 20 because 20 is actually divisible by 5. So now I'm going to run the program in debug mode and just basically show you what the values of each first. Sorry, I have to put a breakpoint. Put a breakpoint there, and now I'll run it. Okay, so now I'll put the breakpoint there. I will demonstrate the program at a specific line so I can further inspect these variables. So now I'll press enter the value and see how it's gone over to I. Basically, by hovering over that variable, I can see that it's got the current value. This helps me trace the execution of the loop and verify the program so it behaves as expected. So I will now, and here, like I said, I will demonstrate finding an error. So I would have to close the debug mode, take off the breakpoint, quickly change this value, put 5 in, save it, run again. Let's put 30. Okay, see how there's no outputs? It's just gone out of that. So basically, if I put debug mode on, it will show where it's actually gone wrong. And it will show me once I press F5 again. Oops, 1 sec. Sorry, I forgot to add in the breakpoint. That's why. Okay, now here, enter value for 30. Okay, so there we go. There's the value there. Sorry, I just didn't do that earlier. So in conclusion, I think I've created a successful program that runs the for loop and all the numbers from 1 to n that are divisible by 4 and not 5. Thank you for your time, and this concludes my demonstration. Bye.